Hi everybody, I'm going to present to you how to use PerfectPower for power measurements. So, first of all, you have to launch PerfectPower by pressing the PerfectPower icon, of course, and then got it, and you enter the main screen. So now you have 4 steps to perform. The first step is configuring the application. You have to press the third icon, and then you access the setup screen. For power measurements, you have 3 settings to perform. The first setting is a choice of the collection norm, the second setting is entering the weather conditions, and the third and last setting is the choice of the losses calculation mode. To save time, I let you refer to the guide to understand how to perform the settings, but I'm just going to quickly show you in which they consist. For the collection norm, you just have to select the one you want to use among the 5 displayed, or if you want, you can choose not to use one, but it is strongly recommended to use one. Okay, let's return to the setup screen. And for the weather conditions, you have to manually enter the weather conditions for the place where you are. So the pressure, the temperature, and the humidity. And for this, PerfectPower gives you an access to the Weather Channel website, which will provide you with the weather conditions for the place where you are. For this, you just have to press the weather data button, and you will search on the Weather Channel website the pressure, the temperature, and the humidity for the place where you are. And then you come back to the weather condition screen and you enter these 3 weather conditions, and it's finished. Let's return to the setup screen, and for the losses calculation mode, you just have to select the one you want to use among the 2 displayed. Okay, so let's return to the main screen, and now you have to perform the second step, which is configuring the car sheet. You have to press the 4th icon, and then you access to the list of the registered cars. So today we are going to use the BMW M3 E46 of Alter. So this is the 18th car in the list. And as for the setup, I let you refer to the guide to understand how to correctly fill in the car sheet. But it's simple, you just have to fill in all the fields in this sheet. Okay. So, now the third step is correctly mount the phone. So you have to use a good windshield mount. So personally I use 2 windshield mounts that are very great, and I give you the link to buy one of these 2 windshield on the PerfectPower website. So you have to take your phone like this and correctly put it on your windshield mount, and that's good. And now the 4th and last step is correctly perform your measurements by choosing a road as flat and smooth as possible, and also by performing the measurements in the 2 directions of the road, and then asking a PerfectPower to average them. This is very important in order to compensate the variable influence of the road slope and the wind. Okay, and that's all. So thank you for your attention, and I wish you good measurements with PerfectPower. Thank you.